Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video of our Python beginner tutorial series, we will be talking about user input. And not only that, but I'll also provide you with 3 simple exercises to practice what you've learned, what you will learn in this video. So let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about user input in Python. User input is a crucial aspect of many programs as it allows users to interact with the program and provide specific information. In Python, we can use the input function to achieve this. Let's take a look at it in a simple example. So name equals input, and then here's what it's going to show up on the user screen. Enter your name. So that's what they're gonna see. Then we could say print hello, just a basic hello, and then we can say print hello. Then it's gonna display their name. And then it can say welcome to our program. Then let's so as you can see, the input function allows us to prompt the user input and store the response in a variable. You can customize the prompt by passing a string argument to the input function. So let's run it. Then it asks us enter your name, which is Veer. Then hello Veer, welcome to our program. Okay, so now let's move on to the exercises. The next couple exercises will help reinforce your understanding of user input and give you some hands-on practice. So exercise 1 is the age calculator. So for this exercise, we'll create a simple age calculator, and the program will ask the user for their birth year and calculate their current age. And so let's say birth underscore year, which is gonna be our variable, and then equals int, and then another parenthesis set input, and then int input. Oh, there's no parentheses here actually. We can delete that. Int input, then another parenthesis set. Enter your birth year. Okay. Enter your birth year. Then here we can say the current year, which is 2023, then age equals current underscore year, the variable above, minus their birth year. And then we can print your age is, then we can actually add that your age is, then it can get the whatever this equals the variable here. Okay, so in this code above, we use the input function to ask the user for their birth year and store it in the variable birth year. Then we subtract the birth year from the current year 2023 in this case to calculate the age. Then finally we display the calculated age to the user, and let's give it a try and see if it works. So let's run it and enter your birth year. Let's say I was born in the year 1676. I would be 347. And let's see if what happens if we do this. Let's say I was born in 2025. Okay, yeah, so it works. If I enter any year that is above 2025, it won't work. Okay, so let's move on to the next exercise, a temperature converter. So This program will ask the user for a temperature in Celsius and then convert it into Fahrenheit. So let's say Celsius equals float. And if you watch my other videos, you should know what a float is. If you don't know, then go right now and watch my other videos before you continue to watch this. Okay, so float input, and then the user will see enter temperature in Celsius. Yeah, enter temperature in Celsius. So that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna enter a temperature in Celsius, and then we can say, Fahrenheit equals Celsius, and then we do that, and then 9/5, and outside of the parentheses we can do plus 32. Oh, and we have to add that, and then below we can say print then temperature in Fahrenheit, and then it'll print the variable, which is right over there. Okay, so in the code above, we prompt the user to enter a temperature in Celsius and convert to Fahrenheit using the conversion formula, which is this. You can just find it on Google. And then we display the converted temperature to the user. So let's give it a shot and see if we can convert some temperatures. Okay, so enter temperature in Celsius. So let's say 42. That's 107.6 degrees. And we can make this better by adding this over here. We can add this, and now let's see. Enter temperature in Celsius. Let's say 786 in Celsius is 1446.8 degrees. Okay, so yeah, and we can just clear. And okay, let's move on to the last exercise, which is probably my favorite and probably the most fun exercise, a word reverser. So for our final exercise, we're going to create a word reverser. The program will ask the user for a word and then reverse the order of its characters. Okay, so we can word equals input, then the user will see on their screen, enter a word. Okay, so reversed underscore word, which is just a variable, equals word. And then here we're gonna use a string slicing to reverse the order of the characters in the word. So we're gonna use this. It's code is like a little set of like little things, and it'll slice. So we add this, then that, and that is a string slicing to reverse the order of the characters in the word. Then we can do print, and then reversed word, and then the variable over there, reverse underscore word. Okay, so in the code above, we use the input function to ask the user for a word, and then we stored it in the variable word. Then we use a string slicing to reverse the order of the characters in the word, and finally we displayed the reverse word to the user. So let's try and see if we can reverse some words. Okay, so enter a word. Say coding with Veer, which is my channel name, and then enter Rivjindoc. Okay, let's see if we can reverse. Let's run it again actually. Let's see if we can reverse Python. Not to, and then okay. So that's it for today. this video. We hope you enjoy learning about talking, taking user input in Python, and practicing it with these 3 fun exercises. And remember, practice is key to becoming a proficient programmer. So keep coding and experimenting with different programs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming programming tutorials and tips. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And keep having a good time coding.